Hi, let's do another little Tuesday tip. I get a lot of questions about how to prevent cracking when I'm storing wood. So I wanted to show you my little outdoor storage area where I keep some things. I apologize for the poor quality, both the audio and the video. This is just being taken with my phone out in the back shed. Wood is perishable. When you're storing trees, and we need to, when we're working with thicker pieces of wood, we need to use trees. And when we're storing trees, it's going to do one of two things when it's stored. It's going to crack or it's going to rot. And we don't want either one of those to happen. So I store these on the ground in long lengths so that the end caps are sealed up on the ground. And the tops, I put a little cap on it just to try to prevent the moisture from coming out the top. Okay, we cannot stop the moisture loss. We can only slow it down. And after a while, it starts to crack, starts to self-destruct, and we throw it out and bring some new in. So we have to rotate the old stuff out that's cracked or rotten and bring new wood in as we need it. So that way we have a variety of different species of wood also, because we get it in and we take it out and we get it in again. If you cut up bowl blanks or buy blanks, they're not going to last very long. They're going to start to check and crack. The wax protection only slows it down. It doesn't stop any cracking. So store it in long lengths, and that means you have to be willing to waste some wood away. You've got to cut off the cracked parts and have some good parts left over.